Hey guys, I'm Codemeister and it's time to code. And welcome to HTML tutorial number 5, where we will be using the A tag to add a link to our webpage. But wait, if you're new to HTML and you know nothing about it, I strongly suggest that you go to my HTML tutorial number 1, where we will be understanding the program and getting used to the text editor that we are using. Now, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so here we have our web page, and now I want to make it when you click any of the headings, it'll go to this website that I created right here. Okay, so to do this, we're going to use the A tag. Now, the A tag is pretty simple. All you do is type A. So right here, when we have our heading 1, we'll just type A. And we'll put this heading 1 inside the A tag. So it'll be a link now. The problem is, when you press it, nothing happens. And here's actually why. To assign it a link, we have to type href, and we'll give it equals. We'll just take the URL from this website and put it in this href. So now when we press this link, it'll go to the website This Is Text. Great. And we'll do this for every other website here, every other heading here. We'll do it for H2 and H3. It's pretty simple. We can just copy them up and paste them in the A tag. So they all go to This Is Text. Great. I also want to make the image a link, and it's as simple as putting the heading in link 2. It's not anything different. We just put it inside here, press it, and this is text. That'll be it for this short video, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.